Well, I'm back. Have not been riding much with the camera anyway. And the reason for that, I mean, the last ride when we went to the park, I was actually running low on tire. Sorry, not fuel, tire. I mean, I'm running low on fuel now as well, but the main thing is tire. These have seen like 24,000 kilometers already, these Michelin Pilot somethings. Good tire overall, but time to change. So I'm heading to Bike Saloon. Lovely people who are going to change my tires for a set of Metzeler Sportec M5s, which are quite affordable right now. At least I think that's what the name is. So while we're heading down there, it's basically my mission to try and get rid of the rest of the tread on these tires. Really hungry too though. I'm supposed to meet them at 1 o'clock, so I'll drop the bike off, go to eat something. Probably Common Guy. This is a good shop really nearby that does it. I suppose I also want to make some notes regarding my my new seat. About 2 weeks ago, I got the seat repacked. So what I've done this time, when I went to the shop, I've done it on 2 occasions. Once to trim off what was added on, and then the last time I went was to actually add more, but add it in a specific kind of area. So we padded more near the front because I've got very long legs. When my feet are on the pegs, my legs kind of go up at an angle on the seat, which means all the weight is going to be just on my back side, which is obviously not good. So I padded it near the front so that it kind of follows the shape of where my legs naturally go. And I find that it's definitely helped a bit. And what's really nice, you know, whenever I'm doing low speed sort of maneuvers, I guess, if I'm on a windy road, where it's not about the speed but it's about the carving, then I usually sit forward on the bike. I kind of put my groin right up against the tank so that I can kind of feel what the bike is doing better. And with the padding, just in that kind of bit, it's supporting me a bit easier, a bit nicer, but at the same time it maintains the shape that I require in order to grab the tank, to kind of hold myself. So it's pretty good actually. Oh my god, where did this water come from? I'm getting soaked. Which shirt is this? Not the white one, thank god. There is a white shirt. Arrived gray. Let's see if I can clean this. I'll probably smudge the lens now. Where's this guy going? This is one of those weird intersections. Anybody who lives in Phuket who goes up the highway will know this. This is Kok Keo. Kok Keo is known for not making any sense whatsoever. There's a big community here, majority Muslim. They all kind of live down in these sois here and there everywhere. And because it's a highway and there's a divider between each lane, this is their go-to spot to get on and off the highway. And they ride on the wrong side of the road. And basically when that light says turn right and that light says go, it's genuinely just a free-for-all. Complete free-for-all. You know, good luck, basically. Anyway. Here we go. Time to go. Look at this. loud. Very nice, but very loud. I'm surprised my fuel gauge isn't flashing yet. I would expect it to flash by now, but oh well, that's good. Hey, it's the Ducati who jumped the light. That's right. Oh, Jesus Christ. Welcome to Thailand, people. You see that sign that says no parking and the red things? That's put there so that people can U-turn properly. Yet, if you observe that asshole, and this asshole, and this asshole, nobody follows the rules in Thailand. Trouble is, the police don't enforce them. The rules aren't enforced, then people don't pay attention. Anyway, we have arrived. How am I gonna fit in here?ทำไมไม่บอกอันนั้นตกใจมาก It's like you're shooting a gun
ผมก็ไม่รู้เหมือนกันมันจะปื้มมันก็ปื้มเองผมไม่เกี่ยว
So that's it, that's the service. That's Romy's service. She's got fresh oil, a fresh filter, fresh air filter, and most importantly, fresh rubber, fresh shoes, brand new shoes, circular shoes. It's amazing. Just finished getting the bike serviced at Bike Saloon, my favorite bike shop on the island. Lovely people. Well, one lovely, one kind of distant, and one generally friendly. Funny combination, but I like them anyway. And they're well regarded on the island. They're one of the first real big bike loving shops, and they do care for your bike. They take good care of it. attention to detail. When they do stuff, they do it right. And you can't ask for more than that. It's clear ahead of me, so I could actually whack the throttle open and see how well the tire grips. My last tire had a habit of slipping. So if I really whacked the throttle open, I could feel the tail kind of shaking around as the rear tire lost its grip. Which is quite fun in some ways, but at the same time, maybe not beneficial, especially if you're going for speed. So we'll see if these tires do that. I hope they don't. Okay, here we go. Very stable so far. Very, very stable. The brakes are really biting. Really. If you enjoyed that, please click like. If you didn't, then click dislike. If you want to see more in the future, click subscribe, and you're welcome to follow me on Facebook as well, because I post photos and videos, short videos on there. Link in the description. That's about it. See you next time. Thanks. Well, that's it. We're home. I made it. This car is very slow.